Hello, Americans and other friends and subscribers around the world. Back here, man. So I'm out here, dude. It is nasty. It is cold and miserable. It is snowing. We're under a severe. It actually doesn't start till later this afternoon, but which actually we're under when this video comes out. You know, 'cause we're always pretty much a day ahead, but we're under severe winter weather warning, and we're supposed to get 1 to 4 feet. That's great. So, but anyway, right now I'm out here getting some books, getting some stuff together that we sold. We want to get this stuff packed up and get it to the post office and get Rhea's knife sent out to her. And that's who won the knife giveaways. We want to get that stuff shipped off and sent out today. So when we go do that, we also want to package up everything that we sold overnight. I actually sold had a pretty good night on the eBay, and then been getting Papa Mike that does my website and stuff, man. Make sure you go over and check out mountainjunkers.com. We are spent probably at least an hour on the phone with Papa Mike this morning going over plans, man. There's some big plans, some big ideas, great ideas, I think, for that website. So make sure you go over there and sign up and check it out and everything. Gonna have a forum over there to so we can all chit chat, and that's the forum or the chat room or whatever you want to call it is. If you want to catch us, you know, on there, man, we're on there off and on all day. We'll be spending a lot of time on there over there chatting about mountain treasures and rusty gold and all kinds of stuff, man. We're pretty excited about that. One of the things I do, or that we do, because Kitty used to make me notes, man, and now to the stuff that I got to find that we've sold, she just does a, I don't know what the heck do you call it, screenshot. Does a screenshot and then texts it to me, and then that way I can come out here and find the items, man. I can just look on here and it's great because then you can enlarge and look. But right now I'm out here because this is where we got the books. But then I got to go over in that cold, other cold shed and find some of the rusty gold stuff we sold. So I'll probably take you along over there with me, man. Not a whole lot going on around the homestead today. There's going to be a lot of listing. I'm actually going to start getting some stuff listed on the Mountain Junkers website. I'm going to do another mountain check out. I'm sure it'll be on before this video comes out because I'm going to do another Mountain Junkers video kind of talking about that, man, because we're wanting to get that, an online flea market thing going. So we'll be working on that and talking about that. But right now I'm going to find this junk and I can't talk and concentrate. I couldn't put them out. Then I could grab them out of those full of them sunflower seeds, and I could choose sunflower seeds, look for books, and talk on this camera at the same time. That is talent. We'll check back in. Well, it's 40 below, and I don't give a beep. I got a heater in my truck, and I'm off to the rodeo. That's my winter song, man. Where's Alabama right? Alabama right? Come on, you flipping dummy, get your left foot right. It is. I got the heater going out here right now. Living this lifestyle, man, it don't matter what the weather is. Still got to have water in the cabin when you're hauling water. I'm out here filling water. To have my water from my coffee, man. I don't know, man. It's a little bit of that, a little bit of that today. Got to run in and fill some propane tanks when we take the, standing in front of a propane heater right now. But I gotta fill a couple of propane tanks when we go into the post office. I actually think we're gonna just run in, just take one tank in today and do that. I don't know if you got it where we got exchange. We exchange the tank out of that cage. It's a couple dollars more, but it's dumping snow out there right now, and I don't feel like standing out there, which I guess I could just stand inside the store and stare out there instead of talking to them, but I just don't feel like doing that to the people at the propane station. So I think I'm just going to do an exchange today. Pretty dang exciting video if you ask me, man. What you think? Yeah, a lot of y'all, man, ain't ever had the experience of hauling your own water, man. You gotta try it sometime. It's a lot of fun. Yeah, we've done it quite a few times over our life. Even back when I was a teenager, when I lived on that, I've talked about if you watch my videos and stuff, when I lived on that old hippie commune. When I was a kid and stuff, man, we had to haul water because the well would get down the whole mountain up there, man. That's like you can go back on my videos, man, and stuff where I talk about when I lived up there, and that whole mountain. It was an old hippie commune, you know, in the 60s and stuff. There was still a bunch of old hippies and stuff still left there, but this is like probably, 1986 or something. And anyway, all the wells on that thing was witched, you know, with the witching stick. That's how they get done all the wells. And the one that was, and we had an old A-frame up there, and then I had a little octagon, which is kind of like a dome, you know. And but the water in the summertime, of course, the wintertime it always freeze up. And then in the summertime, the well, because it was a witched well and it wasn't that great of a well, so it would always get down. So then you had to go use the bucket and get your water and fill gallons and haul water in. So then I've hauled a lot of water. And then when me and Kitty got married and living in the motorhome and stuff like that, obviously you can only haul so much water in the motorhome. And yeah. So it's quite an experience, man. If it's not something you've done, you should check it out and try it sometime, man. I promise you probably won't like it. Howdy!
Yeah, you should have heard him before the camera came on.
So you should have heard me all day, man. I've about had my fill. I started this video out. I don't know how much of the clips. The weather, man. I got cold when I first got up. You know, man. If you've ever been in the weather, man, once you get cold and chilled, it's hard to get warmed up, man. And all day, and kind of feel a little bit under the weather. So
I think it's just cabin fever.
I think it's cabin. I didn't think I need to go mushroom hunting. But between now and Tuesday, we're supposed to get 1 to 4 feet of snow.
Well, at least it's not overnight. Yeah. That gives us enough time to
and then yeah, I was just out there just a minute ago.
Yeah.
Did you see? It's like little styrofoam balls.
Those are called grapples. No, they're called grapples. It's grappling. It's like
it's
a new
grappling
term.
out there.
It's like a new term. It's not
something.
Frozen rain.
Got a couple of didn't mean to interrupt you, but geez, you're going on forever, dude.
Okay.
Sometimes she just wants to kick my butt. Well, I ain't got my big honking knife. I guess I won't be whipping it out. Because Muskrat's got it, and he's making me a sheath for it. Or a scabbard, man, would be more for that. Anyway, man, I got this, I don't know if somebody sent this to me. This is from Teesprings. And check out our shirts. We did actually just sell a shirt. Was it just the one that?
I think so, yes.
So, that was something Miss Kitty we were talking about the other day, and we got shirts down below. We're getting ready to do some mountain junkers. We're going to do a mountain junkers, what do you call it? Creation. or whatever.
A design.
Yeah, design. So we'll be having a Mountain Junkers one. But check out the, right below this deal should be the link for our t-shirts, so you can get over there and get you a t-shirt.
And if you don't see it, just send me a note at Idaho Hillbilly.
Yeah, check out the t-shirts, because that's another great way to support the homestead. These, I don't even know what
they are.
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, it's somebody. Let me see here.
2 t-shirts.
2 t-shirts. Oh, it's Cowboy Kent.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you, Kent.
Look at that, man.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you very much.
Awesome.
That was, we just got that, the spices from...
and actually, Gregor might have sent it.
Yeah, Gregor might have sent the shirts too, yeah. Huh, we'll have to ask Gregor.
Yes, I think he did.
If not, man, thank you to Gregor, or thank you to Cowboy Kent. That's awesome, man. I love smelling new t-shirts.
Yeah, they do. They smell good.
I love smelling t-shirts in the morning.
Yeah.
So,
funny.
yeah, that shows my age, I know.
Yeah.
And then we've got something from, did you order something from Amazon?
I did not.
Yeah, I don't know what all this, we know what this one is.
Yeah, we know what this one is, the big one.
Whoa. Man, I need to sharpen that bad boy. Let's see what this is. We don't know who this is. Let's read the note. What? We got another note.
Got me a note.
Oh, this is, oh, did Leapier send this?
Did you do that, Michael?
Is that the
from the email that he sent?
That
boy?
I
think it is.
That boy?
It is, because it's
a protection for the...
Okay, yeah, because he sent an email and I hadn't replied to him yet on it.
Darn it, Leaper. Boy. So that's a protection for... Because for the computer, for the desktop. Thank you very much, Leaper. Man, you got to stop doing that, man. I'm going to have to buy you a whole lot of coffee to come to Riggins.
Yeah, really? Well, that's his plan.
That's his plan.
That's his plan.
He's going to get him, he's going to be camped out right there. We're going to get him a motel room just so we can get him coffee.
I'll get that installed.
Yes, thank you very much. And then this is actually, we thought this was pretty cool of them. If you watched our video, the snow tubing, and my lard butt went over the gravel there, and I cut out the bottom, and after they seen the video and everything, she contacted us and said, would you like a replacement tube? So lo and behold, thank you so much. They were so much fun.
Yes, they were.
And I told the kids, and Tim actually repaired the one, and that's the one Sissy it was hers, and they've been out a couple of times, and now with this big snow coming, so we will be doing another, I wouldn't call it a review, but we'll be doing some more tubing with our bank of snow tubes. So still get on there, check these out, man. They are amazing, and you can go back and we'll actually put that link right here to check out the snow tubes that our review on these things, man, amazing. They almost want to go on flat ground. I can't get this dang box up. I was going to see which color this one was. Or do you know
think that it's a light blue one. I think it's the
Sissy color?
Sissy called it the Elsa.
Yeah, it is the Elsa color.
tube.
She'll be so excited. She was so happy when her dad... so I was on her list that day when I did it. You flattened my Elsa tube. Thank you so much. Yeah. And thank you so much for the t-shirts. That's so awesome.
Nice.
So awesome. And let's touch on before we go is something. I'll just kind of we got the laptop sitting, or the Chromebook. The laptop our laptop is actually on Kitty's desk right now. We went all over that, but anyway, something that I came in just a minute ago, and Miss Kitty's we got to say that on video. I went out and was messing around with the snow and firewood, and was thinking, man, how amazing it is. YouTube, right now talking to you guys and stuff like that, we visit back and forth and stuff. I mean, that's amazing, man, especially for a couple of 50-year-olds. It just blows our mind, and you can play video games with people all over the world, and all that stuff's just amazing. But something we really are kind of blown away right now is, you know, we have a friend, which we met, you know, never met in person, but Papa Mike and stuff, which I definitely want to go down to Mississippi and see him because I got got him down there and I got lots of Cajun cousins and all that. So someday we're hoping to get down there, his neck of the woods. But it's pretty cool that you can meet somebody, you know, and then we've been kicking around. He built the first website and everything for us. And now we're doing this Mountain Junkers. So make sure to go to mountainjunkers.com and get signed up. And we'll be on here. If you were signed up right now and was on there right now, we'd be chatting with you. We've been out here chatting for the last hour on the live chat. And that's what I was getting at is that is pretty awesome that our friend, you know, and then put together, you know, he builds this site. And then we get on there and, you know, put the word out on videos online, you know, and here we are in a little cabin in the Idaho mountains in the middle of nowhere. And within a few hours, we're on a site, you know, that our friend has built and we're part of. And now we're talking to people. You know, I mean, we can talk to people all over the world on this. That just it just blows my mind. That is so dang cool. And thank you, Papa Mike.
Yeah, that's awesome.
But get over there and check that out. You can actually go to the Mountain Junkers YouTube too, with the link below, and make sure you like and subscribe over there because we're trying to build it in and get this .com site. Man, I'm starting to get so many of these things. I've started writing them down. Well, I've got this site and this site. And this site. But man, talking to him, we spent at least an hour on the phone this morning. Then we'll be going to be back and forth a lot, getting this thing up and running. I talk about it on the Mountain Junkers, and we're going to set it up so that you and we and everybody can talk about mountain junk, talk about rusty gold, talk about, you know, things that you find you don't know what they are. Just shoot the breeze, you know. We're talking about the snow and all kinds of mushroom hunting, you know. I mean, we're talking about everything on there, just visiting. And then to also be able to put pictures of things, you know, that you find or whatever, and then list the stuff and sell stuff on there too. I mean, the thing is just amazing. So make sure you get over there and get signed up for that. Check out the links below because it's a great way to support the homestead. Oh, that was your line. That's
my line because it's a great way to support the homestead.
So check out the links below, and got a big sale going on eBay right now. I've been selling some stuff. I think it's till Sunday.
Sunday, okay.
So they still got a day or whatever, but yeah. So get over there and check that stuff out. And you got anything else?
I don't.
And thank you so much for everything. Yep. Everybody, y'all are so kind. These two hillbillies out here, man, and for the most part, we're going to finish this video up. I'm going to get it out there squishy and come in here, get rid of these boots, get my sweats on, and put my feet up because I got the man right behind you. And here's we do have a propane. This is where we keep the protein things food in here. So, other than that, man, good Lord willing, and the creeks don't rise.
We'll be back again tomorrow.
See ya.